Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Got some cast members from the Independence High School's upcoming performance of Something Rotten. A typical name for a show. Gabe Schenk and Devin Mitchell. Welcome to the show, guys. We are really glad you're here.
Yeah.
So, Something Rotten.
Yes.
Sounds very interesting. What exactly is that about?
Okay. Well, it's a bit of a satire on Shakespearean themes in musical form. And it centers around the narrative of an aspiring
playwright.
Yeah, playwright, and his sort of misadventures as he is trying to come up with an idea for his.
Trying to write something better than Shakespeare at the time.
Right. But he seeks out a soothsayer, and the soothsayer sort of gives him an adjacent picture on what his big idea should be. And so he doesn't quite get everything right, and there's quite a bit of comedy with that.
It certainly sounds interesting. So in terms of getting this going, what's it like to be able to participate in this and be able to have a little fun along the way?
Sure.
Oh yeah, no, it's absolutely hilarious. It's a lot of jokes, slapstick and physical comedy, and rehearsals have been fun, just practicing that and just making so many jokes. It's
right, but I think, I don't know, we're all very artistically inclined, and there's a lot of talent in our group.
There is.
And I appreciate the interpersonal dialogue and relationships being formed with it, and being able to experiment in our roles in the musical.
It sounds like it does take a lot of working together. And is it difficult in rehearsals to keep a straight face when you tell some of these jokes, even though you've heard them a few times?
Yeah, absolutely. I have a big problem with that. Most of my lines are hilarious, and so I just have a trouble giving a straight face.
But there is really valuable lessons. One of the main things is to thine own self.
To thine own self be true. Yeah.
Right, but so trying to convey that message while also maintaining the sort of comedic relief has been quite the interesting challenge.
Yeah, sometimes you got to sit back and laugh at yourself, right? So,
Definitely. Yes.
Very important lesson there. So tell me a little bit about the show. When's it happening? Where's it at? What do people need to know here?
Sure.
Well, the dates are March 24th, the 25th, and the 26th. Yes. It's at Independence High School, Independence, Kansas, obviously, sorry. And really, he gave you the synopsis. That's all you have to know. It's going to be hilarious. And so, I don't know what else to say about it.
Yeah.
Just kind of wrapping up, what are you guys looking forward to the most about actually getting this on stage and in front of an audience?
We've just worked very, very hard on it, intense practices, but I really think that we're putting together something that people can enjoy and learn to laugh at themselves with us.
Yeah.
All right. Gabe, Devin, thank you guys so much for joining us this morning. We'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.